Hey guys, welcome back to the Island family. It's your girl Maria.
The island boy there.
Yeah, so guys, we're just sitting out here. It's so hot today.
Yeah.
Excuse my messy hair. It's just whatever, basically. And Island boy is here.
Hello. Hi, my face looks smoking. Yeah.
So we're just wetting him with the hose. Yeah, just giving him a wet.
It's the start of summer.
Oh my god.
December 1st.
And it's hot.
December 1st starts summer.
Like,
So.
just sprinkling a little bit.
Oh no, man.
Just a little bit. Haven't you found
Yeah, my phone in my pocket.
Relax. Relaxing time.
Mommy.
It's really hot.
Oh, step my back. Oh, step my back and step my back. Yeah. Hang on, Island. Hang on. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so it's really hot, guys, and we're just chilling, relaxing out here before I go to work and it becomes evening time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's everyone up to?
Yeah, what's your
What's
plan?
your plans for Christmas?
Yeah, the holiday and the new year are forward.
Yeah. What's everyone up to? We're just gonna be here at home. We're not planning anything
True.
too big.
True.
Just working most of the time. Okay.
I washed my hands.
Okay.
Mom,
Yeah. Water in the mouth. Ready? Okay, go. You're like one of those clowns. Yeah, guys. So that's what we're doing today. Just relaxing. Tires low. Gotta go get it fixed.
Hey guys, we're at the tire shop. Trying to get our tire repair or possibly a new tire. Hi, Bobby.
Hi.
Yeah,
Hi.
babe right here.
Oh, look at that.
Shit, there's a screw.
That's it.
Yeah. Where
You might have been parked on it.
Yeah, maybe. Who knows?
That's alright.
Yeah, I do a
what
bit
do
of
we
travelling on this one, so.
2156.
Shit.
That'd be away from 40 bucks.
So we're gonna get a new tire, guys.
For the ignorant, it seeks to destroy. It is the enemy of freedom and deserves to be met head on and stamped out. I love that. That's crazy.
Oh my God.
Island sweater. It's like 35 degrees today, guys. All right, that's enough for now.
Mommy.
That's enough for now.
Please.
Island, 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 island. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
was gonna wet my phone. I couldn't even. Shit.
What do you mean? You're fine.
This boy just
He
wet
can't
us.
ask me that. Like literally.
I had to quickly put away my phone, otherwise you would
He's probably
be.
gonna turn it back on. Island, come on.
Let me.
What is it? Come on now, that's it. You had enough fun.
Yeah, that's come on. Where's your little pool?
My real pool.
Guys, it's been a busy week. We've been working, the two of us.
Yeah.
An island being an island. as
Island, no
usual.
more water.
Island, no more. No,
Come
no.
on. He's going crazy because he wants more water.
Wants the
Spring.
water, guys. Island, come on. Exactly. See? As soon as I start, you're gonna go. All right, get on the trampoline. I'll wait you a little bit. Hang in the clothes, guys. In this bloody heat, as the Australians will say, bloody, because everything's bloody hell. Hey, babe?
Yeah, but
Mom.
Oh, we have a good laugh about it all, guys. You know.
Mommy.
true.
Yeah.
Mommy.
This is the Island family. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell us where you're from,
Yes.
and yeah, let us know what you're doing this Christmas. And then we can all sing, "This Christmas I gave you my heart." I'm fine.
It's too cold.
That's it. That's all dry, babes, there?
Yeah, I'm gonna take now.
Okay, you want to take?
Help me.
Censored stuff, Bobo.
Mom, help me.
Tell everybody what happened to your channel. What are you going to do with your channel? Say, please subscribe to Bobo Island.
Please subscribe for Boa Island.
Yeah, good boy.
Mom.
And you have to say, big up the Island family.
Become an honest man.
Big up the Island family.
Big Island funny.
Good boy. And here's the original island boy, Africa.
Yes, man. There, you know.
The one and only,
Yeah,
helping with the washing.
as usual. You know.
Yeah. That is it.
Sun turn up, man. I lie.
We're sweating already,
feel like,
babes.
feel like a white man needs some sunscreen right now.
Oh my gosh. So just peg up the clothes, guys. Peg it up. Yeah. Now, I'm about to go get ready for work. My next job. Okay, Island. Yeah. Oh. Anyways, guys, big
Yeah,
up yourselves.
just a
This
short
is a short
video.
little video.
Yeah,
Just to show you guys that
Yeah,
we're
man.
still on here. We're just, you know, taking it day by day because we're so busy these days.
Yeah.
So
We know it's winter for some of you guys around the world now, but it's summer here. It's crazy.
really hot, really hot.
Really, really hot. After 4, I got to 5 now,
Yeah,
and the sun turn up still.
big time.
Yeah,
So yeah, big up yourselves, guys.
Yeah, man.
Until the next one.
give thanks.
Bye, bye. It's so. It's so bad. It's